Have you been feeling a decrease in your desire for intimacy? Don't worry, you're not alone, and in this video, we'll explore simple, natural ways to revive your passion and boost your energy, all with the help of a powerful supplement. Why women experience low libido. Many women experience a dip in their desire for physical closeness, often due to factors like stress, hormonal changes, or fatigue. This can impact relationships, leaving partners feeling disconnected and unsatisfied. Restoring this natural drive is possible with the right support. A combination of healthy fruits and herbal supplements can help boost vitality, energy, and overall well-being, creating the foundation for more intimate moments. These natural remedies offer a holistic approach to enhancing your desire and mood, helping you reclaim a fulfilling and vibrant love life. Signs of low libido every woman should notice. Reduced interest in physical closeness. If you notice you're no longer feeling as eager for closeness or intimacy, it could be a sign of decreased desire for physical connection. This shift might happen gradually and often goes unnoticed at first. Fatigue or lack of energy. Feeling constantly tired can impact your overall mood and desire for intimacy. Low energy levels may affect your ability to engage in or even desire close interactions with your partner. Emotional disconnect. If you find yourself feeling emotionally distant or disconnected from your partner, it can reflect a reduced interest in physical intimacy. This emotional withdrawal can often contribute to frigidity. Lack of spontaneity. When you're no longer feeling spontaneous or excited about physical affection, it could signal a drop in desire. A lack of interest in initiating closeness may indicate deeper issues with intimacy. Increased stress or anxiety. Constant stress or anxiety can dampen your drive for closeness. Mental strain can easily reduce your natural desire to engage in intimate moments, making it hard to feel relaxed and open. Best natural libido supplements for females. Fantasy capsules are a natural supplement that helps support female libido. These capsules contain a blend of 17 powerful herbs, working together to naturally improve your desire for physical intimacy and restore hormonal balance. By improving overall energy levels and reducing stress, fantasy capsules support a revitalized and more satisfying experience. With consistent use, you'll begin to feel a boost in stamina and mood, promoting a healthier, more passionate relationship. Benefits of fantasy capsules for women's health. Hormonal balance. Fantasy capsules help maintain hormonal balance, which is crucial for restoring your desire for physical closeness. This can help alleviate common issues like reduced desire due to hormonal fluctuations. Boosts energy and mood. These capsules can elevate your mood and energy levels, ensuring you feel more energized and in the mood for intimacy. The combination of herbs helps lift fatigue and improves vitality. Supports reproductive health. The herbs in fantasy capsules nourish the reproductive system, supporting fertility and revitalizing female organs, which can help with issues of frigidity. Improves stamina and reduces stress. The ingredients in fantasy capsules work together to reduce stress and fatigue while boosting stamina. This means more energy and a better mood, leading to increased physical closeness. 5 fruits that increase libido in female. Mangoes. Full of vitamin C and antioxidants, mangoes can help stimulate blood flow, which may improve your overall energy and desire for physical intimacy. Their natural sweetness is not only a treat for the taste buds but also a potential libido booster. Figs. Figs are rich in fiber and essential vitamins, which can promote healthy blood circulation and hormonal balance. Known as a natural food for libido enhancers, they help support a more active interest in physical closeness. Cherries. Cherries contain antioxidants and vitamin C, which support the body's circulation and energy levels. These benefits can lead to a stronger desire for physical affection and a renewed sense of intimacy. Apples. Apples are packed with nutrients that boost overall well-being, including fiber and vitamin C. These elements may help improve energy and vitality, which can lead to an increase in the desire for physical closeness. Pineapples. Known for their high vitamin C content, pineapples may promote healthy blood circulation and reduce stress, factors that can help improve your natural desire for intimacy and closeness. In addition to enjoying these fruits, taking fantasy capsules consistently for 3 months can naturally help restore a woman's desire for physical closeness. For a natural way to support your desire for physical intimacy, consider buying fantasy capsules from ayurvedresearch.com and start your journey to a more passionate and fulfilling relationship. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Coming up next, Best Female Libido Booster Supplement to Revive Your Desire.